So how is it that you get more apples per acre and still have better quality fruit? So here's the inside scoop from Lynd Fruit Farm. Here we're looking at over 75,000 apple trees. And here we're looking at the new technology of how to grow trees. The trees are planted about 3 foot from each other, and they're attached to a wire cable structure. If you're going to produce a good apple, you're going to need to get a lot of light in there. And you've also got to have the right fruit. Customers these days want the best varieties. There's a lot of work in finding those varieties and getting them in the ground. Just look at this intense structure that it takes to grow these trees. If you take a close look at the base of the tree, you'll see the original graft. If you want an exact variety of an apple tree, you just can't plant a seed. Every one of these trees is grafted in from an original variety. So if you want a Gold Rush apple tree, you're going to have to get it from a Gold Rush apple tree, not a seed. And then graft it onto a rootstock, just like you're seeing here. This variety of rootstock is resistant to disease. When you start to take a look at how much work it takes to raise apples, now you're starting to see why a bag of apples costs so much. I used to say, wow, that's an expensive bag of apples. After seeing all this, I'm saying, wow, that's a cheap bag of apples. It's really neat just to look out and see this ocean of trees. And it's cool to see what it takes to make all this happen. Here's some cool old tractors. I like that one right there. Well, I sure enjoyed learning how these apples are grown. And I hope you guys enjoyed learning right next to me. So next time you grab an apple for lunch, now you have a little background behind it. And what it takes to get that apple into your hand. Well, I really appreciate your time and thanks for watching.